Hello guys, today it's time for another unboxing video. Well, we've got several things coming in this week and I'm going to record them as they come in. Let's get to it. Well, first up, we got a special knife that Trinity's been trying to get for quite a while and finally found one. I'm sure in the coming weeks or months we'll be doing a review of it. Okay, next up, we got my usual knife business order. Okay, first up, the Bushcraft fillet knife. This is the fishing comfort. A Rapala 6-inch fillet knife. This is the Pathfinder skillet with lid. And this time we got a bunch of these whistles. Don't know if I actually ever pulled one of these out, so we'll do it here. Just a little whistle with a thermometer and compass on it. Cheap assisted opener. Another cheap assisted opener. And a karambit assisted opener. Cheap little sailor's knife. And another butterfly knife. another rake. A cheap little skinner. More a 511 basic. Field surgical set. Speed hook fishing kit. This is the mini bush lure. Not sure which one this is. A Huron. And a new one for us, the Mayflower. Well, that's it for now. Later in the week, when I get the rest of the stuff, I'll record those segments and finish this video. Okay, we're back. Our next package has arrived. Let's see what we got. A leatherette sheath. And a leather hatchet sheath. Over the last couple of shows, we had picked up a couple of Norland axes. Well, a Norland hatchet and a Norland axe head. We wanted some sheaths for them. This is the hatchet. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.